Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 7, that is getting to know plants. In the previous lectures, we had already discussed about the different types of plants, that is herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers, which are present in our surrounding. Then we discussed about the different parts of the plant, and under that we had already discussed about the roots, types of roots, modification of roots, and function of roots. This much we had already discussed. Now today we are going to discuss about the stem of a plant. Today we are going to discuss about the stems of a plant. So here, if we observe the stem of a plant, so you will observe there are some points in the stem from where branches and leaves are coming out. There are some points in the stem from which branches and leaves are coming out. So these are called nodes. These are called nodes. The points from which stem and leaves are coming out, these are called nodes. And the portion in between these nodes, suppose one point here, one node here, one node here, so this portion is called internode. This portion is called internode. And suppose this is a stem, and from here a new branch will grow. So the angle between these two is called axil, or this place is called axil. Or the angle between the stalk and this new branch is called axil. This is called axil. So if we observe this axil position, from there birds are coming out. And these birds are called axillary birds. And then if we observe, there are some birds which are coming from the top of the stem. And this is called apical bird. So two types of birds, apical bird and axial birds. Now there is a third type of bird also, the birds from which flowers will grow. These are called floral birds. The birds that grow into a flower is called floral birds. So these are the different parts of a stem through which different parts will grow. Now class, we are going to discuss we are going to discuss about the function of stem. That what are the functions this stem produce. What are the functions this stem will done by stem. So first of all, stem helps the plant to stand properly and to spread its branches properly. The first function of stem is to spread the plants properly. And to absorb the sun properly. To get the sunlight and air also, you can say, properly. Because if all the things are compact at one place, they will start fighting for the sunlight and air. The next thing is the stem holds the plants upright and it protects the whole tree. by a bark. There is a bark around the stem and which protects the internal things. So this is the function of stem, and there is one more important function is there, and that function is the water and minerals absorbed by the root. Water and minerals absorbed by the root, it is transferred to the different parts of the plant by steam, and the food prepared in the leaf, it is also transferred to the different parts of the plant by the help of steam. So there are pipelines or there are channels in the steam by which this water and minerals transported to the leaves or different parts of the plant, and there are channels by which food is also transferred to the different parts of the plant. So class, I hope you are able to understand the different parts of stem: nodes, internodes, axial buds, apical buds and floral buds, and the function of stem. If any problem class, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.